In this section, we're going to learn variation B. Variation B is one of the most fun and probably one of the silliest, but also one of the most complicated variations. Here's how it goes. Tummy, my tummy, my tummy, my tummy. You get the idea. Now, tapping the tummy is actually very important. Why? Because I want you to internalize that rhythm. You're tapping on a rest. You're actually tapping on an eighth note rest. And that eighth note rest is the beginning of what's called beat 2. We're going to go into more of that later. But just remember, tummy, my tummy, my tummy, my tummy. Now, before we go any further, we need to do the exercise at the bottom of page 21. And that exercise actually incorporates the rest still. So here's how it goes. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. It's very important that you mentally understand this before you translate it into your bow and your arms. Because in order to actually play this, you have to understand it. Let's do it one more time. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Did you notice we didn't start on my tummy? We started on tummy, my. That's going to be the rhythm. In one measure, there's tummy, my. That's it. Tummy, my. Okay, let's do it with the bow. Bottom of the bow. On the string, pinky and thumb curved. Ready, go. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Tummy, my, sh, sh. Sh, sh. Sh, sh. How's that? Let's do it again. Ready, go. Always making sure to get yourself back to the frog where you started. Never migrate toward the tip when you're doing this exercise. Now let's do it at the tip or near the tip. Bow on the string. Ready, go. And again. Ready, go. When you're doing this exercise, particularly the tip, I want you to feel like your forearm is opening up. It's opening because that's going to allow you to get your bow straight. Let's do it now at the middle. On the string, ready, go. Okay, so that is the tummy mai exercise. Now, let's take our template, and I'd like you to just understand how this works in regards to the template. Every measure is a tummy mai. Tummy mai, sh, sh. Tummy mai, sh, sh. Tummy mai, sh, sh. Tummy mai, sh, sh. Does that make sense? If it helps, you can write tummy mai, every measure. All right, let's do it. I'll give you a little bit of a heads up. On the string, 1, 2, ready, go. make sure you end with tum, me, my. Let's do it now without the rests. And please repeat this as many times as you need to before we go on. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. That's it. Very